Buckler Kevlar too.
Positive. It's Warlord 5 clubs general up in here with Ghetto Star. Motherfucking niggas, you know. How them say them a try, what them a do? Motherfucking niggas, you know. I'm to them cool, yo.
I tell you, this is not a sound to skin teeth with fussy.
Just car. Them start war and believe it would have done it, now go done. Send for your money, shot and gun. Then this Ghetto Star, them never shot down. So, them get trouble, me side the last son. Me mad, me kill for fun, bumbo rascal.
Every minute you hear crazy one. Oh, some boy no bad like me shoes. My youth, fuck off with that. Who cares about your shoes, Benjamin? Because we don't watch, man. All the man that will know, say him no watch, man. Put up his gun finger up there, let me say.
Motherfucking niggas, you know. It's Warlord. Them signing that warrant.
Put them up there!
Have you ever seen a bullet fly straight out of a clock? You ever stand beside a man and see his color clock? You never get a gunshot for no walk with tap.
Let me tell you this bomber clock.
And come and tell we them bad, tell we them foul. Now for them a kid will come and play gangsta role. Get to start them.
When I say more, you say bounty. More.
Them spunky. Bullets ride them like a donkey. I want to them boy, I kill them frankly. Not a mercy. Ha. I get to start.
Bigger boss, man, I gotta play about 3 more, yeah?
Guns out and turn down and people are gone. Man, I kill them and I preach up.
Too much song there on your so. Too much blood clot song there on your so. From earlier me hear a man play a tune. And how them a go manage, you gotta have them soft like a porridge. My youth, porridge is someone you eat. All the man them who know so no man can't have your soft like no porridge. Put up your gun finger up there now. Put up your gun finger. Make me play my first bumbuckler counteraction in this bumbuckler.
Ghetto Star sound, you tell me make it bad so whoa.
Listen that tune here.
Sound. Yeah, hear me? Muggsy, Triton, Spunky, the whole world. Ghetto Star sound.
Listen that tune here, turntables. When Ghetto Star play, remember this bumbuckler.
Son boy, you're never gonna manage. You can't get a star soft like no porridge.
Stop. You see that tune here now what I'm gonna play? I say I'm gonna play 3 tune, right? Alright. Play 10? No, I'm gonna play about 4. I'm gonna play a medley. When I mean a medley, I saw you cut medley.
Yo! I the real star, this is the Ghetto Star.
Next sound line up.
Sound with the difference.
And the last tune.
I was a Father Muggsy, big up yourself, and I was a Triton, big up yourself, at a Spunky. And the whole family was a singing melody, this, you know. How would them boy, man?
Listen to that rhythm, man.
Tell them, dead, try to
listen to that rhythm, yeah.
Sound, who them little fool, yeah. Tell them, dead, you're trying to this to get us, you're dead, you never live to see tomorrow. The plate
I got them belly.
Well, jump on them dead.
Low. Crazy Bones. Who gives a fuck about tracks? I call you guys shit in a locks. I have a message for you.
Them dead.
Listen to my message. Turntables.
Cause Ghetto Star knows your back is not filled with dumps. All we need.
You hear that?
Murder
yeah, jump on. The tune not done yet.
Kill some boys. That's what Ghetto Star says.
Big boss, this is my last tune, eh? You hear what I'm saying?
I've only feeling on.
Listen.
So strong. Life is too short to move some sound. When there is Ghetto Star sound to murder.
Yeah, I might skin teeth, we don't know. I hear you. Yeah, on my sound bridging. You see? We say when it come to Ghetto Star, I don't fall, I'm not skin no teeth, we don't know. I don't skin teeth with none of no. Remember this bumbuckler.
Kill some boy with your dumb.
Bigger boss, listen to that tune you know.
Tell them dead. This is Ghetto Star. Talk about sound. You better talk about class.
Hold on there.
You better talk about the real Ghetto Star sound.
You better talk about hear that?
We kill sound boy. Them better stick to them girls.
You said this is a medley, listen cleanly.
Say this sound boy, you have no understanding.
What?
You don't understand.
No,
the full intent of Ghetto Star sound. Sound boy,
Low. Big up royalty. Big up King Aggression. See who not do the thing, I'm gonna rate that. Royalty. You stand up here, so and book the date. Me rate that. Come tracks. And one thing me are telling you in the morning, you know.
More sound boy. We've been in and out of class so many times.
Stop it.
Yo, all that sound. Respect get to start for the pass-through. First time at Dub for Dub. Yeah, man. So one of the killers them we know quite well. Seeing original Come Track sound. Big up everybody we are passed through tonight. Don't forget the reason that the championship isn't being held tonight is because two of the contestants have some issues, family problems. You know, them have to fly out and start out the thing. So the earliest Friday that the three sounds are able to do it is when we're gonna have to keep the awards. You understand? You see the trophy them over here, so all of the sound them we partake, you don't already know we show we appreciation to the item too. You understand? Cause so the thing go. Cause the hottest Thursday night thing in Toronto ever, and it's all industry people.
Come chats none of them not frighten me. Nah.
All right, clearly on ready. Crazy bones!
The screw face, a boss face. It's like them 17. Come chats, burn them.
I want to get a queen. I want to get a queen. I call him get a queen online and it burn him. First thing he play Frankie Paul and say Ben and say Lou. Damn fish. And then the next thing, newbie, man I say, him worship Sound Clash. You dirty pagan. A God we worship. All who know say a God they worship, say God. Okay, yo. I look on the dirty boy too, no? You want some steel wood for go rub off your yellow blood clot teeth, them suck your granny teeth. Hold on, no man, yeah man, it did. You want to say the massive? Yeah, hear me? Tonight, I'm in a war mode for kill 2 sons. So, you don't know the thing, go. My head kind of hot from about 2 weeks. Big up royalty. You're large. Super fresh sound on the large same way. Rebel tone sound. Big up the man himself. You know what I mean? See it? So the thing go. Yeah, big up yourself, Triton. I'm glad say Biggs left out of your house because you bun Biggs' body with some fuck. Little old fish. You see it? First thing him come up here and I watch my shoes. I talk about my shoes. And the man I watch my shoes and I say, oh crazy boys I talk about him shoes. Pussy anything me wear brand new. Me don't wear past done. See the general, I'm shop for myself. No blood clot girl can go in a store go buy what she feel like, come give me. I idiot. She have to bring me over the store and ask me what I want.
That jump and song come check.
Here one now. That little sound night have bun enough of them. And you know why? Bad mind is a disease. Don't make it catch you. Try to it bite you in your blood clot. You understand what I say? Start on the thing. Hold on.
You know, say the big sound. And when we say big sound, you know, I come check sound. It is them, but when they come unto the Almighty, we put him first.
And this about them.
Come checks was born by the river in a little tent. And oh, just like a champion, come.
Try to, anytime you're ready for war, book the dance, pussy and stop running. I talk about run for you. Pussy, you not even can run for you, so go up on stairs.
A long time coming, but I...
Big up the man never do about real war.
Sound don't die. Oh, yes it will. It's been too hard living. Come checks not afraid to die.
Hey, yeah, that pussy. Bravery. Listen to that song, you know.
I want the some look like that jump and song come track sound, make them know in a tech chat, no time, DJ Dave. Hey Shaka, your turn, Emerald, trample them. I want them. Let them know when I take chat. No time, no fear. On them. Hey, yeah. Stepping up white face. Hey, yeah. Hey, come chat so now go beat them. I saw in the street them. David man lock them up. One by one, got them now on no meditation.
Oh, you feel Rasta man? I'm not talk about this and talk about shit in the locks. Rasta man hold orders. And not this year why? The song you know, and the song I make it a bun them, cause them not know how I go on in a without box. Listen.
Hey, and already, me big up Birdman. And already.
Oh, don't go and run it, listen.
Put a lock on the dog box and not tell you the lock number. We a kill from birth. You tell me you a big, we a clash where you try search the box for.
Play back the one if you get a queen. I want them run go hide pussy. Listen again.
No behavior. Yo, them for no say. Come tracks, everything lock into the fullest. DJ Dave, him in the bird.
The other boy they war from GTA Cup clash, you know. The war not done.
Done. Proper. Hey. And already, me big up Birdman.
Request all the real sound clash fans them. Listen.
Come tracks, put a lock on the dog box and not tell you the lock number. We a kill from birth. You tell me you a big, we a clash where you try search the box for. Fools they go and get hurt. After we done tell us if you come in on this war, you have it full of big tunes like dirt.
Tell him.
So why the hell you come and stress we? I try taste we. Head no fi understand. So make me tell you this. I come tracks where you mash.
Song deal.
Shaka Biggs, Western Island, Blue Mountain. And the
all who go sound clash and lock time.
Colonel Light.
Yeah.
Hey. Bout your run call, come track sound. You make sure you can play.
Pull up. Song again.
Hey, Colonel Light. Some little song boy run come call contract sound. You hear me, Father Biggs, respect to Bailey Blue Mountain Peak. You hear me? Dave, kick them na them dirty face, man.
Yo, Triton girl gone left him. Biggs.
Shaka.
Hey, get a start. Make sure you say you have your money when your clash come tracks. Don't run for no free thing. Pussy. The thing said don't play it free.
Hey. Bout your run call, come track sound. You make sure you can play where he. Bout your sin call, come track sound. You make sure you can play.
Tell him.
I'm not gonna play contracts against no old pan garbage pan. No.
Let me tell you something. Get a star. Bad people are bad people. All the man have a bus gun for your little boy. Hear that song you know.
Roll it. Tired of taking the blame. Contracts are gonna murder them again. Whoa, DJ Dave on the ends, my friend.
Hear that song, yeah.
Right now, we'll see you. I know what you've been playing for the dancer. Oh well, I'm gonna catch this flight, and when I reach my destination, somewhere you'll be balling, begging for
one Freddie McGregor.
I thought you'd drop me a line just to tell me about that big clash you have in mind. Oh well, it doesn't matter.
I nobody feel like some don't know about the custom them where you quoting a boy. I want you to play them around there, hear me?
So don't know you had a big song about your DJ Dave, now watch nothing, saying the one called Fire Shade Biggs, now watch nothing, Youth and one named Thunder, friend of McGregor Pandy and so on. Roll it! Could deal with